there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick comparison between eToro and TradeStation to find out which is better for traders of all levels. So let's check the fees, the features, and user experience. So for user interface and experience, eToro has very beginner-friendly and social trading features. So for TradeStation, on the other hand, it has professional interface and better for serious traders. For fees and commissions, eToro has zero commissions on stacks and spreads apply for other assets. TradeStation has competitive commissions and is more consistent for active trading. Now, for trading tools and features, eToro has social trading, copy trading, and less advanced charting. Now, for TradeStation, it has advanced charting, indicators, and strategy testing. Now, for the account types and minimums, eToro has low minimum deposit and it's great for beginners. And for TradeStation, it has moderate minimums and it is suited for active traders. Now, for customer support and resources, eToro has responsive support and online tutorials. And for TradeStation, it has excellent support and in-depth learning materials. Now, for the pros and cons, eToro is best for beginners and social traders, while TradeStation is best for serious traders and wanting advanced tools. So, if you would want easy social trading and low deposit, then eToro is a great choice for you. But if you want advanced features and stock option strategy testing, then TradeStation is better. And that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.